And welcome back to the channel. On this video, I want to talk about something that happened recently, not to myself, but to a coworker. And let's see if I can get this light. Probably not. Oh, maybe I can. And let me get by this stop sign, then we'll talk about what I want to talk about. All right, so I have a coworker of mine who works night shift, and he rides a electric bike to and from work. And he doesn't live that far from work. And he rides I believe the name of the bike, it's a folding e-bike. It's not overly fast or anything like that, just a regular small wheels too. It's like 16-inch wheels or something on it. And he rides that to and from work. I believe the name of the bike is a Koala. I don't know much else about it, but anyway. So he rides this bike to and from work, and since he lives close by, he goes home for lunch. So one day, about a week ago now, he was riding home for lunch, either home for lunch or coming back to work from lunch. I don't know which way it is, but either way, it doesn't matter. Well, he was pulled over by a cop, and we're talking 3 a.m. 3 o'clock in the morning, getting pulled over. You're riding an electric bike that, you're not breaking any laws. You're not like riding fast or doing anything wrong. You're riding in the bike lane and whatever. And then you get suddenly a cop pulling you over. And I'm not sure what was going through his head, but what would be going through my head is, what's going on? Like, why am I getting pulled over? What's all this about? And so they pull him over, and he gets told by the cop that the reason why he's pulling him over is because he wasn't wearing a helmet. Okay, and why he wasn't wearing a helmet, I don't know. He doesn't wear a helmet. I can tell you that because I've never seen a helmet on this guy. But anyway, for the purposes of this video, that's up to him, right? If he wants to wear a helmet, that's his choice. If he gets into an accident like I recently had, falling off my bike here in snow, but I was wearing a helmet. Luckily, though, I didn't need the helmet for this particular case, but who knows, right? But anyway, the point of this is the laws in Oregon state, unless you're under the age of 16, you do not need to wear a helmet. So the whole question would come back to, why would he pull that guy over because he wasn't wearing a helmet, when the law states, unless you're under 16, and this guy is in his mid-40s, so he's way over 16. And so I don't quite know, but he gave him a warning and told him, next time have your helmet on. And I don't know if the guy, the coworker, said anything back to the cop about, well, the state of Oregon, you don't have to wear a helmet in the state if you are over 16 years of age or over. And I don't know if he got into a discussion with him about that or not, but I would have brought it up. I would have actually went to the law on my phone and showed him. And it's kind of funny, though, that a cop who is supposed to know the laws, you would hope he knows the laws before he's pulling you over, for crying out loud. And now, like I say, it's another thing that whether he wears a helmet or not, he should wear a helmet. Everybody, in my opinion, should wear a helmet, but you know what? It's your choice. If your laws permit you can wear a helmet, then go right ahead and wear a helmet. If you don't want to wear a helmet and your law says it's up to you and you're 16 or over, then you know what? It's up to you. So, but it really gets me why he pulled him over. I think he just kind of said that as an excuse. He was probably looking for something else. Just a guess, but that's what I'm thinking. And I'm thinking he probably wondered why he is out riding a bike at 3 o'clock in the morning. But you know what? Everybody has different timelines for their lives as to when they work, etc. You know, there's lots of people, lots and lots of people that work the night shift. And probably lots of people that ride their electric bikes at night to and from work. So anyway, I thought that was interesting. I would have loved to have had that on video to show that one, because what do you do in that situation? And then the cop gave him a warning and told him to have a helmet on. So what if that very same cop next time pulls him over, you know, and says, hey, you don't have your helmet on? You know, then you got to go through all the whole court situation and all that, which is kind of crazy, because if you didn't break a law to begin with, why are you even having to go to explain to whomever? You shouldn't even have to go. The cop should know the laws. So all I'm saying is, come on, cop, give your head a shake, learn the laws. I mean, is the same thing going to happen to us with our e-bikes? You know, like the bike I'm riding, for example, say this is just class 2, and I'm riding at 20 miles an hour, minding my own business. Am I going to get pulled over because they're going to say, hey, that looks like a motorcycle, or something like that, you know? Anyway, I just thought that was interesting that he was pulled over at all for not wearing a helmet. But it is what it is, I guess. Anyway, if you've got any stories like that you can tell us, go right ahead and let us know in the comments. I'd be interested in hearing from you. Do you get pulled over? Have you ever been pulled over, and was it for bogus things that aren't even, you know, a law that they can pull you over for that you're breaking? Anyway, let us know in the comments. So that's going to do it for this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, thank you very much. Just hit that subscribe button. If you want to be notified as to when the next video comes up on the channel, just hit that notification bell. And if you want to comment on this video or any others, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And once again, thank you for joining me on this video. And until next time, be safe out there and keep your wheels on the road. See you later.